Same Thang, please raise your right hand. Please read after this. I JCI member, Thang acknowledge the meaningful demands of the office of the President of Junior Chamber International Kuala Lumpur and conscious of the heavy responsibility and the honor associated thereby. Hereby stretch myself to the utmost of my ability to devote my energy towards the service of this organization as its member, to direct my effort towards the training and development of young people through more effective operation of my board of directors, to act at all times with due humility and dignity and without selfish or narrow motive, to devote throughout my terms of office to contribute to the growth and progress of this organization and make it earnest pledge that I shall discharge my responsibility to the benefit of Junior Chamber International Kuala Lumpur and the community. By the power vested in me under the Constitution bylaw of Junior Chamber International Kuala Lumpur, I hereby proclaim you, JCI member Thang, the 58th President of JCI Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, the new President.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause.